If you don't like beets, you've never had them like this. I'm Robin from Vegan Dollhouse. I'm going to show you how to make a cute and delicious beet salad that doesn't taste like dirt. If you love playful, plant-based recipes that impress your non-vegan friends, subscribe and join me at the Dollhouse. I like to start with pre-cooked beets because they cost about the same amount, but they're a lot easier and it saves you a ton of time. If you prefer to make your beet salad from fresh beets, the link to the recipe is in the description below and it'll tell you how to make your beets. Start by slicing your beets into 1/4 inch slices. If you have a mandoline, use it, but if not, you can just cut them with a knife. I've done both, and they take about the same amount of time, honestly. If you like your food to look cute, cut hearts out of your beet slices. If not, just skip straight to the dressing. You can either drizzle the salad dressing ingredients right onto the salad or whisk them together and then drizzle the dressing over the beets. The secret to a good beet salad is contrast. Beets are sweet and earthy, so you want acid, salt, and oil to balance them out. Now this is how you convert a beet skeptic into a beet cheerleader. If you make this beet salad, let me know. I want to hear all about it. And for the detailed recipe, just Google Vegan Dollhouse Beetroot Salad. Tell me in the comments, are you team roast your own beets or team using pre-cooked beets? I have to know. And don't forget to subscribe to keep me company on more cute vegan recipe adventures.